Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing photo editing on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a photo, crop the photo, remove the background color, select the stroke, adjust the color red, wait, save the photo, adjust the save confirmation, change the background color, select the color filter, please like the video and subscribe the channel.